This is part 16 of AngularJs tutorial. Please watch part 15 of this video series before proceeding this, because this is the continuation of part 15. In this video we will learn about what is ngIf directive, benefits of using ngIf directive, differences between ngIf and ngShowHide directives in AngularJs. What is ngIf directive? ngIf directive is using for adding and removing content from the DOM. ngIf is extremely handy for showing and hiding buttons, links, text, images, or other types of content on the page. The ngIf directive removes or recreates a portion of DOM tree based on the expression. If the expression is assigned to ngIf evaluates a false value, then the element is removed from the DOM. Otherwise, a clone of the element is reinserted into the DOM. Let's see with an example. This is the same example that we worked in part 15 of this video series. In this HTML page, I have a table with some headings. Inside the tbody, I have a tr with ngRepeat directive. The ngRepeat directive repeats the set of HTMLs and display inside the td. Go to controller. Inside this controller, I have employee array of objects, and this employee array of objects hand over to $scope employee model. Now just run this application. In the browser, the table is displayed here. If I check this checkbox, it will show the complete information about employees. If I uncheck this checkbox, it will remove the email and salary column from the table. Now let's achieve the same scenario using ngIf directive. Switch to Visual Studio. I'm not going to change any modifications in this controller. Go to index.html. I'm just modifying the HTML part. I'm changing ngShow to ngIf directive. Replace all places. This also. Save the file. Go to browser and refresh the page. Look at the output. This is the same output that we achieved with ngShow directive. If I check this checkbox, it will show the complete information about employee. If I uncheck this checkbox, it will hide the employee information. Now you may get doubt, ngShow and ngIf directives is giving same output. Then why two directives, and what is the difference between both? Go to Visual Studio. Let's set it back ngIf to ngShow. Replace in all places. Save the file. Go to browser and refresh the page. Right click on the browser, click on inspect. Find the th element with email and salary. Expand this table, expand this thead, tr. Here email and salary elements have ngShow directive. Now I can view employee complete information without checking this checkbox. Let's see with this. Go to styles tab and find this class. If I uncheck this checkbox, it will show the complete information about employees. Look at. Here we go. But still this checkbox is unchecked. If I uncheck this checkbox, it will hide the information about employees. Without this checkbox, I can see the employees complete information. Switch to Visual Studio. Now replace ngShow with ngIf directive. Replace in all places. Save the file. Go to browser and refresh the page. Now try to find the th element with email and salary column. Expand this tr. There is no th with email and salary column. So what is happening internally? The AngularJs clone the HTML part that we applied ngIf directive. AngularJs recreates the HTML part when ngIf directive is true. If I check this checkbox, it will recreate the th and salary elements. Look at. Here we go. If I uncheck this checkbox, it will remove the markup from the DOM. Look at. There is no markup in the DOM. The ngIf directive is more secure when comparing with ngShow or ngHide directives. Benefits of using ngIf directive. It removes HTML markup from the DOM when ngIf is false. Otherwise, it shows the HTML markup in the DOM. It's supported by all HTML elements. Differences between ngIf and ngShowHide directives. When ngIf is false, it removes the HTML markup from the DOM. When ngShow is false, Display none CSS class will be added to the HTML element and it will be hidden. ngIf is secure. ng show hide directives are not secure. It's supported by all HTML elements, and this is also supported by all HTML elements. And this is the code part, this is the employee array of objects, and this is the HTML code. Thank you for watching this video.